Hello all my dear lovely audience, how are you all? Hopefully everyone fine. So myself Biswajit Baskey and my name is Biswajit Baskey. Today I am here in front of you and you are watching English Boost Biswajit YouTube channel. So guys, I try to speak every day. I try to practice my English every day because practice is the thing that it can make me success for learning English, for becoming a good speaker in English. So guys, I'm trying to practicing English every day. So my name is Biswajit Baskey. I'm from West Bengal and right now I am pursuing BA English Honours in Panchakot Mahavidyalaya and I am improving my English day by day, step by step. So for learning English we should to practice every day, and I do practice every day, and for practicing we need some topics for speaking, for talking with someone. So today's topic is very simple and very important. It is related to the English speaking, why we should to learn English. Yes, today in this era English is really demanded language because in this era everyone are learning English. In every place English is required for speaking, for communication. So you should to learn English, we should to practice English, you should to speak English because it's a language, not a subject. And one thing that if you want to learn English, then take these things as a language, not a subject, because in subject you only study and you get knowledge, and in language you can learn many things. You can learn culture, you can learn other cultures, and everything you can get to know by your English speaking. Like someone are coming from foreigns, other country, UK, US, but they can't speak in Bengali, Santali, but they can speak in English. Yes, then you can communicate with them very nicely with them in English. So it's a really beneficial for us that if we know English, then you can communicate, you can speak with them. So it's a very important, and if you know English, then there is many door open for opportunity like job, business, and many kind of jobs are there in our world related to the English speaking. If you have good communication skill, then you can motivate people. If you have good communication skill, then you can get job in manager, in hotel manager, in every place you can get job. So why you are waiting for learning English? Don't waste your time. Try to speak English, try to learn English day by day. And goodbye, have a nice day. My name is Biswajit Baskey and you are watching English Boost Biswajit YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update. Goodbye, have a nice day, and keep growing, keep learning, and keep signing. Goodbye.